This is a co-challenge for white. This is potentially very, very complicated, but let's see a few intuitive moves that are not correct, right? So the first one is right here. Seems like destroying black's eye space, but black can play here. It's a very nice move, increasing eye space, and also forming a tiger's mouth here. So white cannot come in at number 4, and these two stones are trapped, right? So once these are captured, black will be able to make a living shape very easily, right? Because there's an extra eye here on the side. So number 1 will not work. If white comes in this way, then what happens is that black can play here. White can play at number 3 is Atari, so number 4 will connect. And now black must try to come in here, but it will not work, right? These two stones will be trapped, and it will be captured like this. So black will have 2 real eyes, and white will fail. So that's why number 1 here will also fail. So the correct answer is here, Atari. Black must connect, and now white plays at number 3. But what white will try to do is simply this Atari trying to increase its eye space, right? Because now this Atari at number 7 will be a problem for black. So black can just play right here, and now in order to destroy this eye, white will play at number 7, right? If you play here, this way, you can't really escape, right? Number 7 will become a real eye for black. So that's why number 7 has to be here. And what black can do now, actually, is right here, right? These two will be very similar. So let's see this move right here. And this is basically threatening to make another real eye here on the second line. And it doesn't seem like white can stop black, right? This way, white will just fail. This will just be a real eye. So what should white do now? And a really neat move is actually right here. It's very counterintuitive, takes a lot of calculation to get here. And what black will do is to simply connect here, increasing this eye space. And now white can come in like this. What's happening now is that black can't really play this and hope to capture these two stones and make a real eye, right? If you do this, then black will be dead. If black Atari's here, white can also play here, right? Do not play this way, white will fail. White can play here and still make this into a fake eye. If black plays on the left side, this is what number 7 is for. Number 15 can actually connect back, right? Black cannot come in. So this way, white will escape. So that's what's really neat about this problem. 9 and 11 will not be a real eye, even if it's black to play. So that's why black's best bet is to play this code in order to prevent 9 and 11 from escaping to the right. So now white captures first, black gets this local co-threat, white comes in, black captures back. Right now, if white connects, white will lose this local pattern, right? Number 18 will be able to capture at least 3 of these stones, which will guarantee 1 real eye at the end. White will have to find co-threats elsewhere, most likely. You might say this is a local co-threat, but not really for the purpose of life and death. Black can capture here, and white will need to kill these stones. And now black still lives with number 20. It's a real eye here, number 13, and another real eye by capturing these 2 white stones. So number 17 will not work. So that's how the code will play out. Of course, there are many other variations that I didn't show you, but overall, pretty difficult problem, especially finding number 9 here. It's very difficult. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.